On guys, good evening. The 9th of February, 5:53 p.m. over on the East Coast, Eastern Standard Time. We are looking at Flare Network this evening. A little bit of a market sell-off, would you say? Let's take a dive into the charts here for Flare Network as we pull back to our next potential support area. Let me zoom in on the charts here a bit. So obviously we have broken back below 0.03962, guys. This white line on the chart was support yesterday, pushed back down big time today with the break of Bitcoin below 22,500. If you did not catch the Bitcoin shorts or the Bitcoin bubble video, go check that out. I discuss an important area, which was 22,500. Wanted to see that hold for Bitcoin. So far, that has not held, and I think the odds increase that we head lower before heading higher, at least for the short term. So I'll have to keep a close eye on that. Anyways, most of these cryptos, stocks, and so on will not, cryptos, not stocks, will not be able to buck the trend, at least for long, if Bitcoin really starts to ramp up to the downside. My mind's are, I said stocks because I'm thinking of the futures markets are about to open in a couple minutes, and it's just a busy day in the markets. So as Flare Network heads lower here, our next area, our next target support area is at 0.03802. That's 3802. That is right here on the chart. That is this blue line right here. And you can see it was basically the low of this candle right here, the 28th of January. Got very close to that support level. So as the price approaches, it would be great to see support show up there as well. That is 3802 potential support. If price can find some support there and shows some sign of support, I will personally probably pick up some more Flare Network right around that 3802 level. We're not far away. We're at 3837, very close. If for some reason that doesn't hold, next potential support is at 35, let's see, 3530. So 353.0353, guys, right here. That was the same area back in here where we found that bottom. Let's see if this breakout zone that took place a couple days ago can actually turn into support today, right at our 3802 level as we continue to sell off here. Very impressive sell-off, but I was watching Bitcoin and we talked about it, that the 22,500 level, if that level gets broken and doesn't get retaken quickly, I think the sell-off is going to ramp up for a bit. So that is the 1-2 levels, our third level down there so far as we continue to make lower lows here. For the chart is 3410. 3410 is down here too, guys. That's 0.03410. 3410. So far, as we look at this, we have a lower high taking place right here on the 8th, which was yesterday. And we do have a lower low. So we are in a change in trend to the downside for Flare Network. Now that doesn't mean that this candle won't wick below our 3802, close up below this low, which was, actually can't see it on my chart, the low of the 6th. If we can close above that, so let's say, let me clean this up real quick for you. If we trade below our support at 3802, put in a candle wick, and actually find support there, closing above this low on the 8th, that would actually be bullish. That would be basically something that took place like right here on the 25th of January. But right now, guys, we have a confirmed change in trend with a lower high and just a lower low taking place right now, basically real time, which is Thursday the 9th. So like I said, I might do some nibbling here at 38.02, picking up some more flare, but it could get a little dicey because we do have a change in trend so far. I have to really watch the close, because if we get a strong close, let me fix this so I can see the low. If we get a close above this low, which is 38.78, so like I said, if we trade back down below support, wick up, and close up in this range, then that would actually be a good shakeout and probably very bullish. But right now, we are selling off. We're probably going to get very close to hitting our 38.02 support level. Let's go to the 3-minute chart, guys. And you can see we are heading right to it perfectly. That's what these levels do. They attract the price. They are targets. Below the market, support. Above the market is resistance. So that is my thoughts on flare right now. Today was a rough day in the markets. Let me get back to the daily chart. Hopefully you didn't get beat up too bad. And hopefully you survive another day to be trading, investing, whatever it is, however you are involved in these markets. So I'm going to wrap this video up, guys, real quick. If I have this here, we have created a membership. We have one membership right now. We have some more coming out. We have a membership. This is the channel. If you head over to the channel page, I'm on a desktop. Hit the join tab. It explains what the membership is. You get priority to comments. You'll get some custom emojis, a badge next to your name in the comments, and it does help support the channel for a low price. If that's something you are interested in, I will leave a link in the video description. And also, like I said, if you head over to the homepage of the channel, check out that join tab and it will explain the membership. And I also will have some more memberships being added to that section as well. So let's see here, guys. We just traded below, look at this, real time here. We just traded below our 38.02 level. Let's see if the price can find support there. And you can see it wicked up so far. So it found support there. We'll have to see if it holds. I'm going to head over and do a little bit of buying here and see if we can scoop up some relatively cheap flare network. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks to all the subscribers, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.